Welcome back. We have moved on from Streaky Bay and finally get to take in the most iconic beach in the air. We are super excited to check out the Talia Caves and the Elliston Cliff Top Drive, which we didn't expect to be so rewarding. Perlubie Park. She's hot, windy and dusty today. It's over 37 degrees. Here we are. It's the camp kitchen. Alright, going down to check out Perlubie Beach. Not too sure what all the hype it's about, it's just a beach.
Might be parking up here as well.
Didn't know there were so many shelters. It's very busy. But I'm keen to dip in that water though, it's so goddamn hot.
This is the game.
Isn't it?
Iced coffee.
And we got a spot under the shelter at Perlubie Beach, and I cannot believe how well these shelters work. Amazing.
Yeah.
It is beautiful and cool.
Just perfect.
Yeah.
Don't even need to jump in the water if you don't.
Exactly. And when we're at the park, when we pulled in, this morning it was a dust bowl, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Far out, so hot
It was
and windy.
And the wind.
Oh. Anyway, happy days. It's just lovely. I'll certainly be going for a dip though.
Oh, well, at least you have to walk out it.
So see those people all the way out there?
Nice,
it's up to their knees.
The windows roll down singing my favorite song, with a summer breeze rolling through my hair, not a care in the world, and a clear blue sky. Out here having fun, soaking up the sun, speeding toward a happy and carefree life.
Well, what do you reckon, Gibbo? We've been here for half a day. I don't think we're moving.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
We might cook something at the back of the ute.
It's beautiful. No wonder people want to camp down here.
So you do have a toilet block up there. So staying up at the Perlubie Park, I think it was $36 a night. So we'll decide whether we're going to stay a second night or not. We'll work it out.
No, we'll work it out, yeah.
And unknown destination. What I want to check out is the Talia Caves, and that's our next on the bucket list.
Where do we go to camp? We got to camp near them though, don't we?
Yeah, there is a few camps down there.
Too far to drive from here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that then.
Yeah. Check out the sunset.
Oh my God, how beautiful is that?
Oh my God, that is fantastic. Since it's so damn hot, we've decided to camp at the Caravan park. Check out the green lawn, very nice.
So they do fish and chips here on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday in the Caravan park, and it's all locally caught fish. I'm going to have to give it a crack, I think.
I think so. It's Friday tomorrow.
Woohoo!
Free at the United States. Let them down.
Allows our country to continue its unprecedented march toward unparalleled greatness. Both
Airing down again because we're going into the Talia Caves and the road is pretty shocking with corrugations.
Pretty horrific so far.
Yeah.
We weren't even going to air down.
Yeah, it's pretty...
Bloody terrible. Going down to 20. Because we're 20 point... whatever. You see everyone's all over the road. They're all trying to find that sweet spot. Certainly made it better though, hasn't it? Yeah. Even though it's fucking still shit. But now you got less chance of getting a puncture. There's a few sharp fucking rocks. If you've seen a couple standing up, I'm avoiding them. Oh yeah, people are going on and driving along there.
Oh, that's not there.
There is sand there though,
Not a bad idea.
yeah, I think that's a fucking great idea. Oh fuck yeah.
Oh my god, you make your own track.
Oh yeah.
That's better. Hey, Talia Cave's been such an iconic thing for everyone to see, and it's only 6 k's of road. You'd think the council would grade it more often, but...
Well, I graded a Z. For anyone with a caravan that comes out here, there's a few spots that you can chuck a Yui and go back, but that's alright. It's not much good to you once your tyres have gone that way and your axle's gone that way. Wouldn't bring the caravan along, it would ruin it.
I think there's camping out here.
Yeah.
So...
Yep, welcome to Talia Campground. No? Oh yeah, all little bays. Welcome to Woolshed Cave.
How rough that is.
Wonder if we can even get to the caves. How high up was this low tide? Was this high tide?
Yeah, it could still be going out.
Doesn't it come in at night?
Up and down.
That's the problem, you never know.
No, I'm telling you, in the morning, low tide, and then late evening, a low tide.
Oh really?
Yeah. But it's probably a little bit too early.
Okay.
We'll see. Well, it looks amazing.
Yeah. Beautiful. Do you know where we're going?
Yeah, it's just basic. This is it. Certainly worth a look, that's for sure.
Coming in. Big ass waves.
Check that out. Oh my god.
Yeah, be careful with light, it's a bit soft.
Wow. As Gibbo was saying, it can get very slippery. There's like bits of sand on the rock. And once you slip, you go. Hence why we're wearing these. Wear good footwear. And be very careful. I didn't expect it to be so deep.
No, that's what he said, you slide off, it's a bit of a drop.
No, I mean deep underneath, deep this way.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh yeah, that is freaking slippery. There we go. There's your iconic Instagram shot. All right, we're here at, what's the time, Gibbo?
I don't know, Dom.
It's about 6:30 or 7.
moment. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be doing this trip without this. We wouldn't have seen half the stuff. Here, been on the beaches and everything else. Absolutely loving it. We're just going to put 36 in the front and 40 in the back. So that's why we're only doing 2 tyres at a time. Otherwise we'd do the whole 4.
Elliston's historical jetty, and there's a little beach down here which is in a quick walking distance from the Caravan Park, which is pretty cool. It's a bit windy today, but the beach area is quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bit windy today. What a silly thing to say on their peninsula. Tide's in, yeah. Like all the beaches that we've driven to that have been like a, you know, quite a drive to get to. Got to be happy with that being right in town, basically. It's actually quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can't help myself, I have to check this out. Goes right down. Goes right back. Holy heck.
She can't be told. She's going in there. Unstable caves. Anyway.
Wow. Well, standing from the jetty, you got no idea that it goes back so far. Check that out. Oh, fancy that falling on top of you. Elliston has got its own woolshed cave. That's pretty stunning.
At least I've tried to do something unique as well.
Yeah, that's right.
Now I know why people talk about Elliston. This alone is just beautiful.
You have to do this if you're in the area. The roads are great and the sculptures are a sight to see.
Just pulled into the York Peninsula Caravan Park, Wallaroo Caravan Park, and check this out. How beautiful is this? Wow.
Oh, I could probably live here.
Yeah, they're close, but they're nice and long. Yeah, no, this is magic. What do we reckon, babe?
This is so beautiful. How nice just to finish off the trip with this.
So good, isn't it?
The breeze is just perfect.
Yeah, this is called relaxing. Oh my God.
Well, Our adventure ends on the air. We enjoyed every minute, even the hot windy days, which makes you appreciate the spectacular days. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on our next adventure.
Look at all of the stars out, no doubt I'm loving this time of year. Someone's got a guitar out, whoa now, this is getting kinda weird. It's like a scene from a picture frame.